My name is Mac Donley, CEO and President of Donley's. Just like take a few moments and just talk about Donley's and the core values we've had over multiple generations. And it really centers around our four cornerstones. We have people, safety, solutions, and performance. But probably number one is people within our organization. And we really hold dear to our hearts is the relationships we have internally and externally. And if you look behind me, is the relationship we developed with this client was over 40 years ago. And they've entrusted us to do business. And through the business, we've created, I'd say, a strong sense of collaboration, a strong sense of teamwork. But the two core principles with the teamwork is really based upon trust and respect. And I think that is earned over a period of time. It's basically you do it, it's like what you say you're going to do, you do it when you say you're going to have it done. The next cornerstone I'd like to talk about is safety. I believe this part of the business has had a big transformation, not only with the industry, but also with Donley's. And it's part of our vision statement. Our vision statement reads, is our daily goal is to operate incident-free. And if you look at any of our safety vests, it has written on the back, we will not look the other way. And I think we've always had safety in our heads, and a lot of the industry has, but I think the transformation, I think what the companies have really taken and made safety a core value of the company, they took it from their head and they put it into their heart. And I think as we made that transformation at Donley's, is that we have taken safety and look at it as almost you could say is a human right. Is anybody comes to work that day, we understand that their husband, they could be a wife, they could be a son, they could be a daughter, but they are very important to somebody. And I think if we work together as a collaborative team, that individual has a big opportunity every day to go home the same way they walked in every day. The next cornerstone I want to talk about is on solutions. Is what do we do with our clients? What do we do with our subcontractors? Really to be able to come across the finish line with some of the best ideas, I said some of the most cost-effective ideas. And if you look behind me, this is a great example. When we started this project, it was a great design. This is an amazing building, but there's also an amazing cost that went with that building. And it took us many months, many meetings, and it was really teamwork and collaboration through the architect, the owner, and Donley's. They were able to have a solution that really worked well for the owner, and I think today they're very, very happy with what they've received. The last cornerstone I really want to talk about is performance. Because I think this is the last piece that really drives and brings the project home, is doing what you say you're going to do when you're going to have it done. Maintaining the standard of quality, maintaining the standard of communication, okay? And it's just not about the end product, it's a lot of it's with the process, the interaction you have with your client, and with your subcontractors and the people within your organization, is it has to be a process that's enjoyable. In closing, I just want to wrap up, is the four cornerstones. We have people, we have safety, we have solutions, and we have performance. And whether you're an employee of Donley's, or maybe you're a potential employer, or maybe you're a client that's done business, or maybe it's a client we'd like to do business with, thank you for listening. We'd love to have an opportunity to work with you or to continue working with you as we go into the future. Thank you very much.